Everybody, good afternoon, and welcome to the free market update for December the 31st, coming into the end of the year. So first thing, I'd like to say Happy New Year to everyone who watches these videos. It's been a good year. It's been a great year, and so I hope that it has been for you as well. Hope these videos help. I really do, because that's the intent behind them. And that's why we do, what we do. So wish everybody a good, happy new year. Hope 2014 was a good year for you, and 2015 even better. And so with that, let's get started. So today, as we see, we're looking at a daily S&P chart here. We come in this morning and the yen's up pretty nicely and the bonds are up pretty nicely. So I tell everybody in the room that while I like the market higher, as we've been discussing for some time now, it does not mean that it can't sit down a little bit. And so with that, this morning, I didn't really want to be a seller, but yet I advised that I think we're going to get a chance to buy them at a little bit of a discount, call it 10 handles or so. And we did. They sat down some, 10 or so points, and you had that chance if you wanted, to do that. But you don't watch this tonight to hear about what happened today. You want to know about tomorrow. And so my thinking in what we're looking at right here, and the fact that it's the end of the year tomorrow, that what's likely, I believe, in my opinion, we're going to say first thing in the morning, people's emotions are going to take over if they're in oil services and drillers and that kind of thing, and even maybe gold, miners for that matter too. And they'll probably come in tomorrow and just say, you know what, just let me out. I'll just take the bruise and get to start next year fresh. Put it on this year's books. I'll write it off. Start fresh. If that's the case, you're going to see this market break in the morning first thing. An hour or so. It's the capitulation, basically people's emotions taking over, and they're just like, just get me out. So with that, imagine the market makers are just going to kind of throw their hands up and walk away from the bid for the first hour or so and say, let it, understanding that's not going to be the most sophisticated of clientele that's going to be reacting in such a manner. And so market makers just kind of step back, walk away from the bid for a bit, let the thing break an hour or so, and then you buy them. And you buy them. Because this market pulling back these couple of points today doesn't mean that that the trend is broken. Look at it; it didn't even make it back to the ADMA today. It probably will tomorrow. I wouldn't imagine, given what we saw today, it's gonna sit down first thing in the morning and you buy them. But if you're trying to buy this thing for 3 handles, then you need to be in the trade room with us looking for really good levels. What I'm talking about is buying them on a break for 3 days. 5 days, that kind of thing. I'm not talking about buying them for 3 handles. So that is my thought process. We'll see how it plays out tomorrow. The yen had a very good day today, up over 1%. That's conviction. That's conviction. Over 1% is conviction. The bonds had a good day today. When I walk in this morning and the yen and the bonds are both up the way they were, I say to the room, like I said, hey, listen, yeah, I like the market, but it doesn't mean that, we got to buy them right here. Let's be patient, and we'll buy them on a 10-handle, break. And so we can I got a feeling we'll be able to do that in the morning as well. That's it. That's what I've got for you. But I do want to say that it's been a blast. It's been fun. It's been a good year. And, hope to have an opportunity to do it again next year, and we have a good year next year. So thanks for your participation and your interest, and for watching these videos, because without you there is no us. And so Happy New Year. Catch you at the next update.